The problem, the NDC is having a problem explaining, and the problem all their so-called presenters who today you listen to Jantua on Inshira FM, she sound like a director of communication for NDC. And na yang. Since when did you Jantua become yang when it comes to NDC?
Welcome to the Political Rounds with me, the voice right here on Ghana SM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Papa Kojo Poku, our leading member of the New Patriotic Party, has been speaking, and he has been speaking indeed about Dumsor ICC or Ghana. They say over Ghana there, you don't, tomorrow light is not assured. That is what we know now in Ghana. Normally, we say tomorrow life is not assured, but in Ghana there, tomorrow light is not assured. It's say it's a form which we do light in any time. Now, Akufo-Addo, Baumia, they were able to keep light on for 8 years. I say a reset, and so there, Dumsor 24/7. So Dumsor has been happening a lot, and cold store owners have been complaining, business people have been complaining, Kofu ice water, and everybody has been complaining. Now, Ghanaians have been asking questions. Let's say, NDC government, 7 January, no. Now the current Minister of Energy, now see, SMBCC na, a full neho, anti Dumsor. Later on, John Mahama, His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Obeka said, the Dumsor threat has been averted. Adanya, almost see, they've been able to tell company, like I say, a reparation of gas pipeline, no say they should postpone from 20th to 1st February. And to more postponing now, it's like I saw on fuel. Now, fuel, like I saw motor $133 million.
Friday evening, and a lot of people are on my case saying that, Mr. Poku, when you spoke on Joy, why didn't you ask for a timetable for the Dumsor that is going around? I want to explain a few things. In the energy sector, I have always said that I don't do politics with the energy sector. Everybody have what they do as work. For the last 14 years, and I've been on media, and for the last 23 years, I have worked in the energy sector. I have an institute called the Institute for Energy Policies and Research, which I am the executive director. So when it comes to the technicalities and what happens in the energy sector, I speak the truth and I actually explain to people who want to listen why things are the way they are. In the last 7 years to 8 years, we explained to Ghanaians the technicality and difficulties in the energy sector. The NDC, who just wanted to do politics with it, did not listen and would not let us tell Ghanaians the truth. And for them, everything was about politics. And I get it. Most of my brothers in the MPP want us to do same and turn everything into politics. But I've always explained that that's not what I want to do. In the last couple of weeks, people have experiencing light outages. And this is mainly due to the West African gas pipeline undergoing maintenance. And there's a fact that we all know. The problem, the NDC is having a problem explaining. And the problem all their so-called presenters who today you listen to Jantua on Inshira FM, she sound like a director of communication for NDC. And na yang. Since when did you Jantua become yang when it comes to NDC matters? You see, your true colors are now beginning to show. You cannot continue to blame everything and all the problems in the energy sector on Nanado, because we have been told by the minister that they have procured all the fuel they need. When the NDC came in, they said that Nanado did not make the right preparation, so they needed the maintenance to be moved from the 20th of January to the 1st of February so they can buy all the fuel they need. And the bill they put together was $133 million. If you listen to Honorable Jinapo on Asempa, he says that the president gave them the money and has bought the fuel. So why are lights still going off? And if you listen to the minister on Asempa, he says that, well, we have all the fuel, but small challenge. He's beginning to sound like me. Now, the minister now knows that there are challenges, that you can have all the fuel, you can have all the planning, but there can be challenges. These are things that I have said over and over in the last 7-8 years, and people don't believe it. The most important thing is that the NDC today should praise the MPP for keeping the light on for 8 years amid all the challenges that exist. It's not about money. And now they know that it's not about money. Because if you have been given $133 million, bought all the fuel, and you are still having outages across the country, it tells you that there can always be challenges. So what the MPP should be praised for is that amid all the difficulties that could happen in the energy sector, the MPP kept the light on. Yes, albeit little outages here and there. But the most important thing that the NDC should know is that let us all be able to speak truth to technical issues. Let's not make it about the politics of they couldn't solve it and there's Dumsor and there's Dumsor. Today, there are CSOs from the NDC camp who are calling and saying that there's going to be Dumsor till December. I Kojopoku don't share that view. And I have openly said that, look, areas where we think we can all work together and make the energy sector better, we will make it better. But when there are problems and they are trying to hide away from their problems, we will point it out. Today is on their turn. I've always said that accident. The minister and all the NDC communicators sat on TV and said all sorts of things that they could do better. Now, they've gotten all the money, they've gotten the space, they're running the show, and lights are still going off. We, as MPP, were able to keep the lights on, like I said, albeit all the problems that exist. What they should do is let us all come together and find solution and a lasting resolution to the problems in the energy sector. I do not believe that we should always play politics with the problems. Today, they are in the driving seat and they know that it's not easy to run the energy sector. And they should stop blaming the Nanado and Dr. Baumia government for all the problems about today lights are going to go off, and we'll tell you about the debt. Energy sector indebtedness is not new, and that is not why your light goes off. And I've been saying this over and over. Thank you.
Na sas council John Muhammad Yama muso mkoto fuo enti makoto fuo na say enu krese e fuo la sema aden na still your light echo off enu na question na poku o ye anu no because NDC for no on say opposition no say you have to be measuring what you say yeah to dey bia e catch NDC for say asema mo ka no mutu mubu munya botre na asem penny po nipa na penny one cent. So anything can happen anytime in governance. And when you are dealing with machines, you can have everything, you will think you have it figured out, you will think you are super ready, and just when you are going into action, everything flops because of one small fault somewhere. And it's the first day there propaganda na feel ma ko to abama na say asem Dumsor mo solve a mo temi solve afedi o mo ina o mo ka brofo now we di faha president me ka say ade na ya averting me say Dumsor no ensi biom ebi ensi biom afedi enim na ko ba since John Mahama His Excellency made that statement no now it has become worse. It's all worse cry worse na ankofana musa kufa do wanja mo fu onu mpono duration amuka say phone na eni ho no na ye ndum light say na when we are phone na bad ye I say phone I say bibia kra na phone ma go papa phone am ko to na de fake na second grade na ane na research we dey bro Ghana for aba makoto aba boni amukoto ye be bre seriously because the echo so there enye easy they say conform here live and me here live biom because only time I ever do light I do light is on a network near slow so I'm just also work na communication ministry on huso you see what Danny Twitter minister they be or Twitter or yi microphone or yi microphone Twitter and one oye and this is 4 way there and the 4 years ebe ye ni juma no mo amuhwe na mo ntimi amu ka kire ye wana ye san election no bio ye na ye jitum se ye fun so yankokoto abanama MPP enti se mo ntimi ye juma na mo ka kire we will go back and vote because they say na the na call there that enye cry ha adwen met pen bi dem me bi fa ho ma ya why Epamuchopa, maybe Faumai. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.